Hello guys, this is Texator11. So I'm going to show you guys how to download Kinemaster mod. So let's get started. First we're going to the Chrome, of course we're going to the Chrome. But don't worry guys, the link is in the description below. You click that link and click this download and wait until it's downloaded. So I've already downloaded this Kinemaster mod.apk. It's already right here. Right, you know that. So let's get into it and let's show what is here. Okay, what is the best thing in the Kinemaster? So I've already used this. I'm just going to show you the mod, thing, right? So let's put some videos, okay, like this, a dance. We're now right here. You can see right there, there's no watermark. Also, if you go to asset, you can download some premium, so like this, and you can download some premium. Don't have internet connection, so that's all I can show you guys. Thanks for watching, hope you like it. Goodbye.